The fishermen community is protesting in Kerala. We'll get you pictures of those protests because Italy has decided it will not send those two Italian Marines who are accused of murdering two Indian fishermen. They will not be sent back to India. Let me quickly bring in headlines today. Is Praveen Kumar from Thiruvananthapuram for more on this story. Praveen, the Chief Minister, Oommen Chandy, he's been saying, don't send the Italians back, not for Christmas, not to vote. He feared they will not come back, and the Chief Minister's fears have come true.
Exactly, Gaurav, as you rightly said, the Chief Minister's fears have now come true. The entire Kerala state actually said that if you allow these Marines to escape from here, they will never come back. We had that fear when they were sent home for Christmas celebrations, but somehow they had returned that time. But now they have gone and they will not be coming back according to the Italian ministry. Okay. Now the opposition is up in arms in Kerala. The opposition leader has actually asked to imprison the Italian ambassador who had given an undertaking in the highest court of India and has violated it. And also the fishermen's associations are up in arms. They are holding protests across the country. They are going to have a meeting in the evening and they will decide what form of protest, whether to have an indefinite hunger strike or protest march across the state and the country. So they are deciding on it in the evening. So far the Indian government, as the family and the opposition members rightly put it, can't run away from their moral responsibility. In fact, as you rightly said, it was the Supreme Court had taken a decision on the basis of the inputs provided by the Ministry of External Affairs, and they have given a clean sheet. They said, yeah, the Italian Marines could be allowed to go to Italy. Now, they say the Indian government cannot run away from the moral responsibility. They cannot say that only the Italian government had betrayed our people, but the Indian government, as the opposition and the family members say, the Indian government has also betrayed its own people. So the Manmohan Singh government and also the Oommen Chandy government will have to come clean out on this and say that their affinity is towards their people and they will have to get these Marines back to India in order to render justice to the families of the killed fishermen. Gaurav.
Stay on with me. And breaking news that is coming in, a former Home Minister of Kerala has demanded that the Italian ambassador be arrested for going back on his promise that the two Italian Marines would be sent back to India. K. Balakrishnan says the envoy had given a written undertaking. He filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court of India. He is accountable. Now, Balakrishnan also blamed the centre for paving the way, for actually clearing the way for the two Italian Marines to escape. I'll go to headlines today's Jugal Purohit in just a moment, but let me once again bring in Praveen Kumar for more on this. Balakrishnan, the former Home Minister, wants the Italian ambassador to be arrested. What's the mood on ground across Kerala and what are the families of the two victims saying?
The mood is quite of disappointment here in Kerala. Both the opposition leaders, they are politically manipulating this. They are taking this up in arms. They say they want to be with the members of the fisherman's family and they want the justice to be done to them, because so far the Kerala government, as we all know, had stood firmly on their ground supporting the fisherman family in their fight for justice. But however, now the Kerala government is in a mood. They have not come out clearly on their stand on this issue so far. They have just said that they will take it up with the central government. However, the CM has not made a public statement so far. What could be the plan of action of the Kerala government on this? How they are going to put pressure on the central government and what could be done legally in this case? That has not been made clear by this Oommen Chandy so far. However, the CPM and the BJP, all political parties are now up in arms against them. They are saying that the central government, in fact, had paved way for these Italian Marines to escape. In fact, they colluded with the Italian government and conspired with them in order to get these Marines out of the country.
Yes, that's a very serious charge. That's a very serious charge. The External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid will have to respond to in the times to come.